I'm coming from a rural area with nothing, but I made a huge impact. You know, when I was at COSATU National in Braamfontein, most young people were coming from Wits University for learnership, for internships. But they were inspired when I interact with them to say, really, you're coming from a rural area, but you seem to be knowledgeable and very articulative when it comes to issues of administration, project management, and events. It's because I always try to learn. Most of the people who are running big businesses are not learned people. Akusibantu labafundzile.
Yes.
But you find ukuthi baba powerful, baba bantu laba good, ba excel. It's not about you knowing everything, but
Okay.
you hire people to work for you. Now you become the boss.
Okay.
You know, I've realized that there's things that I've achieved, and especially like land, it's very, very important because that's the major asset that you need to have.
Tiyabhadla tibhadlile namhla tobhadla nebekunene ke kimi sekwaba kumkhuba wona mnakethu ngikuva ngathi kukahle uma ngabe umuntu atithula kunaleli jale ngalinye langa like lazivakashela lathi hey uyabona ngendlela ungibeka ezingeni ngakhona ungenda nami ngihluleke ukukhuluma because he believes ukuthi labantu they expect more uma ngabe sikubeka lapha so ngaya ngokuya ngabona ngathi kukahle uma umuntu atithula bantu balandzeli bethu bamati sise kahle ukuthi yena ungubani atibeke mhlambe ngema levels lafisa wona yena mnakethu bengajabula uma mhlambe ungasichazela namhla ukuthi wena ungubani wakabani ufika kanjani ukuthi yabhadla wakhulela kuphi uyathi unginikete lo mnyombo walempilo yakho.
Yeah, the way you present ngakhona nami yang-inspirisha nje lento. So excited. Ngiyabona ukuthi tiyabhadla ngempela. Yeah, just ukuthi ngiphendule lo mbuto wakho kakhulu ngithatha ukubonga leli thuba.
Yes.
Ligama lami ngibhudi Chester Tembo. Originally ngisuka eNkomazi local municipality enzaweni yaseDriekopies B.
Okay.
Ngila ngikhulele khona.
Okay.
Ngadalelwa khona, ngafunza khona.
Yes.
Ngabe seke ngiqhubeka ngenda matric ngahamba ngaye university ngenda human and social study. Ngabe sengiyaqhubeka ne masters yami ku sociology of development.
Okay.
But ke ngine passion lenkulu kuma issues of community development.
Okay.
That's my core. I think God nje into la nginikete yona kakhulu. Ngile ukuthi ngidile ngezinto phathene nemphakathi.
Okay.
So right now I'm the founder and the CEO of Revived Generation, which is a non-profit company.
Okay.
Ilapha eMsholozi ngimile ngibhizi ngayo itoba ne multi-purpose center so basibhizi nje center tinetiningi especially into that affect abantu labasha labancane balabadzala abantu besifazane abantu labakhubatekile ngoba uyathi ukuthi kunema issues la affect abantu psychologically, financially, relationship and practical problems medically. So sabona ukuthi lento lena iyadingeka ukuthi bekhona ukuze abantu bangatholakali batibulala early ukuze abantu bangatholakali baba ne stress to an extent ukuthi babona ngathi ilife ayikho. So lapha we are trying to revive abantu ukuthi ingqondo tabo netindlela labenda ngato tinto babe sesimeni sokuthi bakhuthateke. That is why our slogan says igniting the future. Because masibuka sibona ukuthi ifuture ibani labasha nalabasakhula iyehla ngonxa ukuthi abantu abaningi bababhizi kakhulu ngetitsakamiva nani. So I'm the founder of a Revived Generation NPC. I'm also the director of Butomncane Events and Projects.
Okay.
That is my company. Leyo ke asi non-profit company. It's my company dealing with events and special projects.
Okay.
My core responsibility there is to design, come up with some concept for events and also manage your events. So in most instances, ngiyenda logo and ngine background lenkulu kakhulu when it comes to events, national scale, provincial scale, local events, any event that you may think of, even a funeral, we can arrange it for you because what is needed. You just tell us exactly what to do. But also this thing I call namhla iqala kudzala kakhulu ngisakhula. And lento yokunikela nokunakekela nokucabangela labanye bantu angiyiqala inyalo labangatiko ngokukhula kwami.
Yes.
bakubonile kwenteka practically. So angisabi futhi ngikhululekile uma ngikwenda futhi ngikwenda ngokujabula. The last thing that I must just say ukuthi kuba mnanzi mawenda into loyivaka ukuthi you are innately born with it, because mawuyenda uyenda ngepassion, uyenda with love, and ekugcineni mase uyendile uva nje nawe ukhululekile emoyeni. Ngicabanga ukuthi nginikete nje a synopsis of my background so that wathi usukhuluma nabani.
Ingijabulisa kakhulu ke mina wena mnakethu ngendlela uyibeka ngayo usacetha kumention naye leya ubhuti omncane.
Yeah, ubhuti omncane.
Ubhuti omncane entertainment
Events and projects.
Oh, ubhuti omncane events and projects.
Yeah.
Ngingajabula uma namhla ngakubita ngabhuti omncane sivamile ke la kuthi yabhadla ukuthi kube nendlela lekahle umuntu le ungambita ngayo naye ative akahle. Ngicabanga ukuthi wena bhuti omncane uma usayibeka inzaba yakho ke yekunikela emphakathini, inzaba lenkulu kakhulu leyo. It's a very sensitive issue. Kuvamile ke ukuthi la emphakathini abantu nabakhula umuntu mhlambe nakakhula ngempumelelo bavamile ke abantu ukugodla. Uyavisisa, so ngiyayithanda kakhulu lenzaba leyo. Ngicela ke bhuti omncane unginabanabele kancane wena mnakethu ngetemsebenzi ukuthi before ufika la ukhona khona kulama companies lo so nawo, where were you bobonguphi ngekwemsebenzi before that?
Yeah. Hey, ngisebenze kakhulu ngicela ukusebenza ngisemncane kakhulu.
Okay.
Ngicela ukusebenza professionally bengina 21 years. Ngibuya from a university and then ngasebenzela South African Democratic Teachers Union. Beyibitwa ukuthi SATU. I was a provincial manager there.
Okay.
Then I moved to COSATU nationally. I became the national administrative manager. Bengi advisor, I had the general secretary, which is Zwelinzima Vavi. Bengidila nge-administration as a whole. But also I was dealing with events and special projects for the whole COSATU. In 2003, we ran a huge event COSATU la Bixana Mandela by that time, Awada Mandela. I was the coordinator for the whole, event, and I was the youngest. But I made a huge impact. That is my legacy. I'm always thinking about that. And I was the youngest. Bantu bang appreciate, bang respect, bang nigeta le support. But I think lenye into lengende ukuthi ngikhona kuba kule stage leso ngendlela ngiqale ngakhona ngisakhula bengumntwana lothanza kuba active.
Okay.
And then from there got deployed to a Belgian government project called UNISATU. We were dealing with HIV and AIDS project national within the provinces. Sibavakashela developer ma workplace forums, make sure ukuthi kuba nema programs la ranwago within the workplaces. We were including the federations like FEDUSA, COSATU and NACTU, because lawo ma federations ngola dealing ngama issues of workers nationally. Remember again lapho kune project management team from different organizations or affiliates.
Yes.
And I was the youngest again, but being the project manager national. Coming from a rural place, from the dusty street of Drikopis, and to that level of being a national coordinator. So then I moved to Love Life. Love Life, I was also a manager dealing with corporate partnerships and social marketing. Lapho sifuna ama corporates to invest in terms of community development initiatives. Ngasebenda na Ria Pierre lapho because bekasasebenda li group executive ye ABSA.
Okay.
So we were able to get 17 point something million because in Love Life was the national office. My role was to mobilize corporates to invest, my community development initiatives. And again, I was the youngest, but I was able to convince big people. Like, you'll see Richard Branson, Yamati Richard
Okay,
from
yeah.
UK.
Yes.
Virgin.
Virgin
Yeah,
Active,
Virgin
Virgin
Active,
Mobile, Virgin
Yes.
Spa.
Yes.
I was able to interact with him directly face to face. So I met a number of people. And Brad Pitt, the actor overseas,
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
able to interact because my job was more of involving corporates to understand, the challenges that are faced by young people, especially who teenage pregnancy related to HIV and AIDS. But we were targeting these communities la ngathi awekho right, like Orange Farm, because besibona ukuthi most families la suka kula ma areas la are from destitute families. So we were investing more kuma programs la fana nabo radio, issues of sports, musical performances. And there are people that were identified. Namhla labanye bakuma radio ba hosta big radio stations. So my other responsibility was to work for government for the first time in Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation.
Okay.
I was the deputy director there, dealing with national scale events and also the provincial scale events. That means all the calendar days that are run within the province, I'm the one that has to head them. Then I was elevated to a director position, to be a director again for events and special program. That means then we go to communities and identify problems and projects that could be attended. So we send social workers to assess my family's good status. They come up with reports, and then we analyze those reports and see what could be done for those communities. Mainly, we look at the youth and child-headed families because
Yes.
so I was the manager there, making sure that we are doing the right thing and the beneficiaries are relevant beneficiaries, eligible beneficiaries within the community where we are targeting. So I was also involved go community safety, security and liaison. I was the advisor to the MEC Shongwe. You know that you prepare speeches for the MEC, you accompany the MEC in ceremonies, you make sure Guti whatever he says there, it's something that is prepared by you and make sure Guti articulate the issues correctly because most of the politicians, remember, they don't have educational background. You need to advise them how to pronounce, how to say things, and they must understand the gist of issues so that when they articulate as if they know all these things, as if they are inclined to do. So, but that was my role to advise the MEC. But also doing that, I find it very more relevant for me because nginayo le passion yokufundzisa. Mangenda into angendi ukuthi ngiyadlulisa.
Yes.
And I'm a perfectionist. I don't want just to do something for the sake of doing it. Ngifuna kubona into yendeka. So when I look back, I realize ukuthi I've made a huge impact. It's just that you can't praise yourself. But somehow, when I look back, I've got something to tell, a story to tell, but also it's a good story. It's not just an ordinary, story. I think my message will be inspiring a lot of young people, especially those who wants to push their career forward. Right now, I'm running business, not because I wanted to do business, but I realized, business is the way to go. As much as it's not easy to run business, but I'm there. I'm still trying to hustle, to engage with other people so that I actually, build my company to greater heights. And remember, we're doing this genuinely. I will have lots of money if I were to do things the other way around. But if you are doing your business genuinely, I'm not saying you should not get opportunities one way or another, but genuinely,
Yes.
you find unale peace of mind, you find relaxation, and you don't feel frustrated. As you can see, most people got opportunities, but sebalanzelwa ma SIU and other, I'm not saying I don't want money, I do want money, but if you do business with passion, I'm telling you, you can make it. Right now, I'm not there, but I'm gradually going there. And I know God has got perfect timing. When you read the word of God, it says, in perfect timing, He will make it happen. So I know in perfect timing, it will happen. So I want to mobilize and also encourage young people at home, at large, to say, don't overlook yourself and undermine your capacity. Look from me, because I'm coming from a rural area with nothing, but I made a huge impact. When I was at COSATU National in Braamfontein, most young people were coming from Wits University for learnership, for internships, but they were inspired when I interact with them to say, really, you're coming from a rural area, but you seem to be knowledgeable and very articulative when it comes to issues of administration, project management, and events. It's because I always try to learn. So before I decided to leave umsebenzi to start my own business, I realized, Guti, this is where my passion is, events and special projects. But also I realized that, community related development projects are something that I have to be more closer to, because I'm doing it with passion. Hence the development of this revived generation NPC. I'm not relying on it because, remember, we rely on corporates to invest, and we rely only on corporate contribution, in kind support. It's not about financial support, because in our case, we don't want money and we don't take money. You provide the product or you buy the product for us. So basically, in terms of work experience and work related issues, that is what I've done. And I'm keen also to share my knowledge and skills when it comes to such. Yeah.
Yemnakethu.
Ngiyacala kukwati noma.
Serious?
Angithukile.
Yeah, no, this is huge. It's too deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awuphushe.
Uyathi usayichaza wena mnakethu ne?
Yeah.
Kusengcondweni yami futhi kusenhlitweni yami to experience or ngive the situation that was there when everything triggers emtimbeni wakho uthi no, nyalo ngiyawuyekela umsebenzi. This is the journey that I want to take empilweni yami. Emnakethu baningi bantwana la ngaphandle labanye bacedza tikolo, labanye they coming from universities. Liphupho lokuqala abantwana bafuna kusebenza ka government. Now uma sibona umuntu lo njengawe abanesibinzi sokuyekela umsebenzi ingudla ngudla yemsebenzi longaka and decide ukuthi ufuna kutendela into yakho uqalele phansi. How was the situation uma uthatha lesinqumo mnakethu?
Yeah, it's not an easy one, I can tell you. But you remember, as I said earlier on, kunetindo lesithi tsanza kona lesifisa ukutenda. But maso lapho uyabona ukuthi no, this is not the right part. Then I have to take this one because this is the perfect one. As much as it's not an easy thing, but I'm telling you, yonke into ihambisana ne-patience.
Okay.
Once waba patient ngento lo ufuna kuyenda, wabeketela, no, angeke uzofail. It may be seem difficult for those few years. Gradually, it's gonna change and becomes better and grow bigger because it starts gradually. And remember, ukuthi yonke into angeke iqhamuke ibe easy. Now you need to be flexible to interact with people at all levels, regardless ukuthi umithana nabani. Ngoba at the end of the day, you'll never know ukuthi who will then assist you. But also again, njoba bengishilo, la bengikhona khona ngibonile ukuthi if ungaphuma ngithi kancane maybe khona into ngidayena ngoba uma ungabuka kahle, most of the people who are running big businesses are not learned people. Akusibona labafunzile.
Yes.
But you find ukuthi baba powerful, baba bantu laba good, ba excel. It's not about you knowing everything, but you hire people to work for you. Now you become the boss.
Okay.
I've realized that there's things that I've achieved, and especially like land. It's very, very important because that's the major asset that you need to have. Land, because you can build anything, you can do anything on it. But if you're gonna land and then you find someone's space, you need to hire that land. But if it's your land, you can rent it out, you can lease it out, you can build something and do something for yourself. So I want just to encourage everyone at all levels to say, start something small, regardless. I always say, if maybe I fail a metric, my plan was to run a vegetables business. That was my plan.
Okay.
Yeah, I said I'll identify bogogo labahleli la stratini.
Okay.
Yabona labo gogo labangendi lutho.
Yes.
Bavamise ukuthi icocela nje laba badluphule nje tidzinzi lamakhaya.
Yes.
Ngiyaba identify abahlala emakoneni. I deliver whatever there. They sell the products. Then later on ngiya collector, ngiya check ukuthi bende njani. That was my plan, and that is a business idea. But I realized people who are doing that, they are making a lot of money. But again, you have to choose exactly what you want and try to push that because you can't do everything. But in my case, events, it's what I like most. And it's something that I'm feeling more at ease with. So, ngilento lengizama kuyenda. What is nice about it ukuthi vele manje nginenzawo lengiplanile ngifuna kuyenda ukuthi ngende ma events khona.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, uyabona uyangivuselela futhi ngiyayithanza. Usasho kancane wena Mkhabela Landvosa ne uma ngabe ungumngani wayo ucabanga ukuthi uyayadi at his age la ibala kula wacala khona lo muntu emnakethu usebentile kakhulu mina ke ngiyafisa ukuthi people should learn from people like you ukuthi uma ngabe ungumuntu impilo ifuna sibinzi esikhatsini lesinyeni
Yeah.
yemnakethu ase ungichazele kancane lana ngiyakubona ukuthi i-portfolio yakho ngendlela ihlobe ngakhona ne awusingi lo muntu wokuthi khukhumeda with whatever background that you come from yabona so far nalomsebenzi lo wendile longaka uyabo your social life bangani ihamba njani impilo lapho how do you spend time with people?
Yes. You know that question. You know, mangisakhula benginebangani labaningi, and
Okay.
everyone used to come to me. Now I go to them because ngikhulele esontweni, ngithanda ukucula, ngilida ichoir, ngicamba tingoma, ngenda all those sorts of things. But at the end of the day, manje mase ngikhulile ngiyabona ukuthi having too much friends.
Okay.
It may be good, it may be bad. You need to assess exactly who are your people. Because there are those people who are coming to you solely to grasp whatever so they benefit. There are those people who are part of your life. There are people who are going to come just for a while for a specific assignment. So I embrace everyone. At all level, I don't mind. Older people ngiyaba engage alabancane futhi ke very vulnerable to kubantwana nebantu abadala ngibathanza kakhulu.
Okay.
Bantwana nebantu abadala ngaba ngigogo nje noma ngimkhulu noma umntwana lomncane angathi nje ngina that thing. Maybe ngikuthi ngikhuliswe badala bami but gogo wami ngiclose kakhulu naye ngimthanza kakhulu yena ngitreat so special. But into lengiyifundzile ukuthi when you do business bangani babalekile but khumbula ukuthi bangani bani ngoba kunebangani ukuthi niyahlalela kunebangani ukuthi bangani bakho because we are meeting for a specific assignment.
Okay.
In this case meaning nabo bangani but bangani bami labaningi yalo it's mainly to do something, not ukuthi ngibe nemangani ukuthi just ngispend isikhathi, because everyone for me can be a friend. Ungaba mngani wami namhla sibonana but I don't have a background about you, only to discover ukuthi friendship yami nawe is mainly ukuthi wena ungi-influence nga something etawumosha impilo yami ukuthi ngachubekeli phambili. Just to make a practical example, I had a friend who will always say, hey, anginamali ngicela ungiboleke imali, ngimnika imali but ekugcineni anganginiki back le mali. Sengambona ukuthi lo muntu kahle hlo parasitic, i-agenda yakhe is to gain from me. And akanginiki back le mali yami. Lo mngani loyo kusho umngani ukuthi nedata odla wena.
Utomunya.
Yeah. So kunemngani lo angakuniki imali angafuni imali. But mawuhleli naye ukhuluma naye uve ukuthi lento leni ikhulumako, we are sharing the same sentiments. And such people is what I need. Not people who will come and gossip or say things or confabulating about other people. No. My intention is to meet people who are driving the force lekhona la kimi towards the desired set out goals.
Manje ukutshele kancane wenda njani ke nangabe lo mngani nangu ukhona, you most of the time you share almost the same things.
Yeah.
Esikhathini lesiningi mhlambe the visions la nawo empilweni yakhe nalawa lo nawo wena nivama kubona ngandlela yinye uyinkinga lamalini sebese bese usiphatha njani simo lezi njengalezo?
Yeah, but what I can share with you, just be honest and be fair.
Okay.
Yabona bathi nje straight talk ngiyento lebalekile ngoba yenda ukuthi tonke into tibe right.
Yes.
And if umuntu atokwata ukuthi umtshele iqiniso sekwakhe lo. Ngoba you know, I can tell you I learned ukuthi uma ungakhulumi akuse right.
Okay.
Bantu abaningi batholakala amamoshakelo latindo tabo. Just to make a practical example again, kunemuntu lebe ngifuna ukuthi angisithe nga something, mara mina always ngiba available for loyo muntu. But immediately when I discover ukuthi yena akekho available for me, I blocked that person. Yeah, ngamblock. Why ngimblock? Because ngibona kahle ukuthi akangisithi nzawo. Useless. So there are friends that you can keep, there are friends that you can just shut down. Umeke sure ukuthi they are not near to you. Hayi ukuthi abakhulumisa, hayi ukuthi awubabingeleli, mawuhlangane nabo ukuthi uba moody noma uba ne-attitude. No, but awusabaniki le space. Because that space is very important. Remember, this is your time. Such people who are intruding your life should not be closer to you.
Okay.
Distance yourself from them. Angithi you see the weaknesses labanayo.
Yeah.
Ikhona weakness lo ngayitolerate ngoba uunderstand ukuthi Hashem wendi mistake and uzame kummolda lo muntu ukuthi change. But njengalo longichaza yena lona vele aka change.
Yeah.
Vele ungiloko yena uphila le ndlela leyo. So ngabona ukuthi kahle hlelana ngithi faka enkingeni ngoba lenye langa kuyinkinga lo muntu ngifaka imali 10,000 ngithi asiqale na something yam test uyangikhipha lo muntu uhamba nami restaurant udla le mali le you understand le nto le account phela he can't account so we need to keep friends but good friends not bad friends.
Ngalelinye ilanga ngitshela lelinye elijanga ngisebenza nalo ngithi mina emadoda ke avamile emadvodza ukuthi kunema gold diggers
Yeah.
basho bafati
Yeah.
ngithi mina ibambe kancane masinga lendzaba leyo
Yeah.
akhona ema gold diggers emadvodza
Yeah, maningi.
bangani gold
Yeah.
diggers
Yeah.
yeah I friendship yena la kabanayo
Yeah.
uye ngokuyofuna
Yeah.
yeah nibabita ngokuthi yini imkhabela bathi nithi yini nibabita ngokuthi yini labantu labo nithi ma opportunist.
Yeah.
Yeah, uma bona nje umuntu lo ngathi ume kahle empilweni
Uyasondzela.
sekumele abe ngumngani wakhe
Yeah.
manje nimbona ngama weekend sohamba hamba ngalento moto taloyo muntu lo
Yeah.
akhona ama politics emadwatsi and the
baningi
people should be careful.
baningi kakhulu
Yeah.
but it's worse with women.
Usho ukuthi
Yeah, it's worse with women because they are taking advantage. They will come with some strategic ways of involving you. Ucabanga ukuthi maybe business gold diggers mara bafune kufaka naletinye izinto. A practical example lengayenda nje ukhona umuntu lengimncedzile. Wasonzela kimi kakhulu. You know I learned something bafethu. Wasonzela kimi lo muntu wathi makathole le project. Imniketa imali lenhle enesikhulumile sivisisene. Umuntu usoyabaleka kasatholakala. And mina ngifuna 10% because I do consultancy work.
oh okay
My job is to design and come up with some concept for you, themes and everything, business plan. Ngiyakwendela ngiyakupreparela. Awungibhadali na pain because sivumelene ukuthi 10% donginika
Okay.
mase uthole ijob yakho.
okay
Wayithola umuntu 1.6 million. Funa nginike net 160,000 but it was a very difficult exercise.
Mara
So
what did
loyo
you tell
muntu
her?
loyo igold digger I had to bring in bathi ngibani laqasha bamgijimisa yeah
yeah ne
ngiyayifuna imali na angengidlalwe ngumuntu mina
ngamsebenzi lo wendini
ngisebenzile I wasted my time my energy and my resources.
So I'm interested in the process of you trying to get back the money. Uma confronta umuntu lonjalo uthini, is it an issue of ngitokuniketa or sekushintshe the whole story altogether angisakwadi?
Let me tell you something the most embarrassing thing lengafila nje betrayed you know umuntu makakubetray akufuneka umbuyise back ngoba utokubulala. I learned one thing. I'm sharing these things. These are practical problems. Leswafeyisako and baningi labanga related to this. Lo muntu so yalaunch. Akasang invite me. Ulauncha le project yakhe but the main person ngine copyright phela mina.
okay
I'm the one who developed the concept. Now you are launching your business. I'm not there. Second part, you are going to Metro FM. Instead of recognizing my work, because officially, if I'm the one who recorded your music, mau acknowledge people who have contributed to your business or whatever, you need to recognize them.
yeah
To say thank you, so and so, my producer, my executive, what. Angithi, you are acknowledging these people because the work will not be this work without their support. Angithi?
yebo
Now, makafika ku Metro FM, ubonga mfundisi wakhe.
bavamile ke kuyena
Manje usuyamangala ukuthi umfundisi ungena kuphi ngoba umfundisi yebo siyambona bekathandaza. Mara bekangekho practically kule business. So I'm just saying lo muntu akasang recognize at all. Now I have to make some calls trying to get his or her attention, which is not right. And bantu bakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyacreator bantu babe ma destiny helpers wakho.
yes
The time so ufikile kule lane lofuna uhambe ngayo. So ujuba yonke le connection nalabantu
destiny
uthi wena
helpers.
hayi mina sengiyahamba ngiba hey uyoshayisa le phambili.
yeah
Because in my heart enhlitweni yami nje nginalo ukuthi hawu why ende so lo muntu why ende so because uyathi ukuthi I was there for him or her but today so ukhohliwe ukuthi and abantu abachange lento leyo ngoba it's a bad thing. really umuntu maka-assistile nivumelene because we have made a covenant mbhadale
mnike imali
mnike
yakhe.
imali yakhe why ubaleke so and worse lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye bekafune 50,000 but he got 1.6 million just imagine lo muntu engikhuluma ngayo bekanganamoto ngafaka imoto kule plan yakhe uyithola imoto yedrive so namhla ukhohliwe mina ngila ngibona khona ukuthi lo muntu vele naturally usuka nenhlito lembi that is where I learned ukuthi labanye abantu uyabanceda bafana nedinyoka uyithathe wona ibeke endlini uthi hayi no i-exposed to what kanti le nyoka vele lo bunyoka butawuvela because there's no way ukuthi umsita umuntu understand ukuthi ubuya kuphi abese sobehave kwangathi akade ukuthi wena umendele ini kusho kona ukuthi vele umuntu bekayinyoka so such people ama snakes they must shy away from you bakhiphe they should not be close to you because they are the ones who are distracting your life they are the ones who are going to destroy your life we need money all of us
Yebo.
we need money and it's a two-way process imagine sinebantu labaningi angithi my background wethu awekho right and sinebantu labamnyama sinalendo ukuthi we want to help one another
Yes.
mawufika kimi unganginiki ne-deposit but I need to feed, clothe and educate my family with that money that you have to give it to me and you are not giving it to me the time when you have to give it to me so you are running away from me what does that mean and uthola ukuthi akwasayinanga even a contract with this person because utshela ukuthi lo muntu utobuya ngoba uyayi-understanda the magnitude of this thing but at the end of the day you are compromised because you are trying to make it a gentleman's arrangement so I learned a lot about people in general and also it helps me because of my background mina umuntu ngiyamstudisha ngimbona ukuthi lo ngilenhlobo le mina ngiyakhatha vele anginasikhathi sokudlala ngikukhatha leso sikhathi angikukhathi ukuthi ngiyakuzonda ngikukhatha ngoba ufit
Yeah.
and angibi sorry ngalokho ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi you are not my type not because ukuthi unemali kumbe ufundzile kumbe unesikhundla ngifuna an honest and original person umuntu angeke bayifake uma singanamali asinamali masinganalutho asinalutho masinelutho let's enjoy and share phela the resources so we meet such people and ku-business bantu abanjalo bagcwele ke baningi bantu abacollapseselo ama-business because of such people who are gold diggers
Mina ngivamile ke ukutshela abantu ukuthi I have experiences ngemina ngisita abantu labanemali. Uyabona na usita umuntu lo cabanga ukuthi sonemali uphumelele nje empilweni uba nalento yokuvuleka ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lona imali unayo umslo imali uyijwayele angeke ahluleke kunginiketa 600 rand wami lengamlati ukuthi mine nangimendele lokufuna ngibhadara nginenkinga kakhulu ngebantu labanemali bhuti omncane ababhadarani bantu laba enine bantu labanemali asenibhadare bantu labanemali ababhadarani nginenkinga kakhulu mina angathi kumbe when you haven't experienced that
you know mina I want to relate to practical situations because I've seen it and it's good for me because I can tell and share some of these things. I think most people have experienced that. I don't think it's me alone. But really not long. There was someone whom I know in a business. He made millions. But this person is owing me 15,000 rand.
15.
But he can't pay me. Yeah, but lo muntu unemali. But he can't pay me that money. But when you look at it, so uyabona sometimes it could be ukuthi akakuprioritize wena.
Okay.
Sometimes it could be ukuthi maybe le mali ayikufaneli wena.
Okay.
Sometimes ukuthi makakunika ubona ngathi uyawaster. Bantu abanemali mangibuke observation, it's my observation. It could be right or it could be wrong.
Okay.
Nginoticile ukuthi ngathi mase kufanele iphume imali, hey kuba madima. I don't know what is the problem. Especially makufuna iphume iyokunceda. Mara mayiphuma ukuthi nje iyothenga utshwala hayi iphuma fast le
Ayinankinga.
no le iphuma fast yetshwala mara ngathi ngifuna ukuthenga kudla angeke iziphume
Kunikwe nje amantombazane nje
yeah
ya umuntu aphakiswe isijumba semali embi kwakho uyakweletwa wena
uyabona ngabona lenye into ngathuka lo muntu ufuna sinika imali ukuthi sijike sisejozi ngoba the arrangement beyinjalo mara inkingi uthatha le mali udiza lo munye Jerry I don't know how much is it embi kwethu mara uthi akunamali mara uyakhona ukudiza i-waitress ehotela but I felt so disappointed ngathi really is this true So sometimes bantu babona ngathi kukunika noma kukubhadala uma baku-owa noma kunento lekufuna bayende nawo babona ngathi bayalusa.
Mkhabela ngicabanga ukuthi ifuna si-arrange a broader discussion ngalendzaba yetikweleti lena abantu labanemali babhadare abantu lababasebenzisile ngoba abantu ufuna sibafundzise ukuthi labanye bayasaba nokubalonza labo bantu angisho bathi uthi lo muntu lona umuntu omkhulu umuntu losatshwako uyabona asabe umuntu kuyofuna imali yakhe le wayisebenta yena ngenxa yokuthi lo muntu loyana mhlambe hey kumbe mhlambe nge-MEC or mhlambe ngisomabhizinisi lodumile.
I mean, ngiva ngazi le masala masiphakathi. Ebona the experiences that we are facing.
Yeah.
You give, you do that gentleman's agreement, Lolo Shoyana, with a person that you've known. Umuntu lona is not supposed to do that. Is it because umuntu uhambe wayothatha something and then all of a sudden wena awusabonakali? Because ngibona ngathi it's some form of initiation. It's very prevalent, the thing we're discussing here. It's not us. You come up with a person from way back. Ngespace selvigi akhohle ukuthi bomlethela skotela nembu.
Yeah.
I don't know ukuthi usukuhlangane nebantu eMozambique uthi uye holiday e-beach then sekunale institution lekufuna udlule kuyo sabe sesowuniketwa i-mandate of operator, but it sounds very dark.
Weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Yabona? Awucabanga wena.
Ya uyabona uma sewuyilanza njalo wena Mkhabela kungaba khona ngoba lo munye umuntu phela kuba naloko ukuthi ngiyamati ngakhula naye akanawo umona mina ke ngathi ukuthi bantu labangavami ukuthanza kubhadara abantu labanemona manje mangimati ukuthi lo muntu lo ngikhule naye beyanganawo umona so uvumbukapi manje umona longaka angisebenzise anganginiki lutho. Hey emnakethu ngicela ukuthi siyibambe kancane sitayivulela ngalelinye ilanga kunala ngifuna sijake khona emnakethu. Yemnakethu mani ngifuna kuthola kancane lana nje njengoba wadi angathi ukuthi you are one of the followers etiyabhadla ke it's a podcast lebhizi kakhulu with indigenous knowledge emasiko and stuff. Ngifuna kuthola kancane ukuthi esikweni umnakethu ubhuti omncane kuhamba njani ume njani bhuti.
Yeah, hey le topic leyo ngilenye leyihlala i-topical every time, every day, now and again.
Okay.
And thine bantu labamnyama sinenkinga yokunga-understandi le issue ye-culture and traditions.
Okay.
The indigenous knowledge systems kuyi-aspect lebaluleke kakhulu etimpilweni tethu and abantu abaningi abakurecognize lokho.
Okay.
This morning bengisakhuluma nalo munye umuntu ngithi you know you have achieved a lot but ngibona ngathi kunento lesale le move.
Okay.
Usebenzisa sibongo samakwakhe and makwakhe lesibongo lasebenzisaka asiso sakhe.
Yes.
And lesibongo salabantwana bakhe akasebenzisi kulabantwana.
Okay.
So uyabona ukuthi from gogo naye nebantwana bakhe basebenzisa tibongo leti wrong bonke.
Yes.
Culturally that is wrong. I'm just
Okay.
making a practical example nyalo ukuthi if singa embrace ukuthi wena mawaka Mhlongo or wena mawaka Themba sifuna ukusebenzisa tibongo leti wrong kune impact lenkulu mina ngikubonile. From an early age, unfortunately, labantu laba experience le tindo tabo tihambe tangabi right. So we are failing to acknowledge culture. The culture serves as a grassroots for us. Ngalama magama uma sihlahla imbanze yaso singekho strong kahle asikhona ukukhula kahle.
Okay.
So mina ngifanisa culture as timbanze tesihlahla ekuthenini lesihlahla kuze sikhone ukukhula kahle siblome kahle sikhiphe lama fruits lafunekako.
Yes.
Kufuna letimbanze tibe timbanze letihleli kahle leti strong. Hence nebantu uthola ukuthi these days especially kubantu labasha it's a topic le very relevant to bona abasa recognize tibongo tabo kahle.
Lenzaba loyikhuluma ke Mgcokwa lento yangisinza lena ngifuna kuva kahle.
Abasa recognize tibongo tabo kahle. It's worse nyalo government upromote le ukuthi bantu mabashada nabantu babo bangasathatha tibongo tibafati.
Okay.
Because kumbula ukuthi isibongo asisuki tikwemfati lesi sibangiso lesihambisa lesibongo selikhaya
Okay.
kufanele kube salendvodza umntwana mawakamhlongo uyohlala awakamhlongo nike isibongo sakhe. But most people abakurecognize lokho, and it's worse these days because of this bafundisi lesinabo lamalanga baphuma kakhulu bahlanganise i-culture ne-tradition bahlanganise ne-religion.
Okay.
Especially Christians kunale mentality yokuthi culture it's a wrong thing bakhohle ukuthi kude nayinye i-race lengana culture wonke
Okay.
umuntu ophila ke emhlabeni une culture
Iqiniso.
and le culture lena umsebenzi wayo kufuna ubonakale ukuthi yini. Khumbula ukuthi ikhona i-culture le right ikhona
Yes.
i-culture le wrong
Kunjalo.
but thina sithatha le culture le right. Number one, just to make a practical example, i-culture le right awukwati kuhlala nemuntu ungakamloboli. But kunebantu these days labafuna kuhlala nebantu bangabaloboli. Uma ungakamloboli vela uyabona, it's a
Okay.
way of embracing your culture. I always say this thing, uma umuntu ashone inhlitiyo yakhe ingasimnanzi noma simo sakhe angekho right maybe ngemuntu lothile, why lo muntu lamhluphile noma lambulele noma lo muntu langakaphilisanga naye kahle
Yes.
angakutholi kuphumula makafile lo.
Okay.
It tells you ukuthi khona into lengazange ihamba kahle. Cultural kufuna kwenzakaleni. Khona lisiko lekufuna lendiwe. It has got nothing to do with witchcraft.
Okay.
It has got nothing to do with immoral acts. It's a pure culture that needs to be nourished. But most of our people are not embracing that. Because sebanaleyo nto ukuthi bafuna kuphila the Western lifestyle.
Yes.
Sesitholakala siba more compromised. And if besinga embrace our culture and honor our culture, ngoba abantu bacabanga ukuthi culture mawuyenda kusho ukuthi uyayiworship, asiyiworship iculture. Siworshipa uNkulunkulu, sidumisa uNkulunkulu. Siyawahlonipha amasiko ethu ngoba athi mbanze tethu.
It's what we've been made of.
Yeah, and without ma cultures wethu singamoshakalelwa ngulokuningi. That is why kufanele ukuthi whatever that we do sikhumbule noma i-language noma yini sipromote ini our cultures.
Okay.
Ngoba ngila sibonakala khona lasihluka khona noma ngabe simakholwa.
Yes.
Makholwa ebantu labamnyama. Singasabi kuthandaza ngeSiswati
Yes.
because isibantu labamnyama. Singasabi kushumayela ngeSiswati because isibantu labamnyama labakhuluma Siswati. And kunendlela uma umshangane uphila nemaswati, you'll continue with le ndlela yebushangane uwende lesiko lakho. And most of the time mina nginoticile ngifuna kwenda a practical example bantu labangayinaki.
Yes.
And lokhu ngikusho bluntly so. Umntwana bhuti wami ufuna umsebenzi akawuthola umsebenzi. Sifaka ama-CVs awakhonakala ama-CVs ukuthi enenjani ahambe athole ufundzile ubuye university. But there was one thing le sayithola. Sitshelwa ngulomunye i-traditional healer.
Okay.
Yaba honest yazi hey akufuneki ukuthi niye kuphi nendeni. Thathani i2 liter ne50 rand niyonika lo gogo. Lo tala lo mmakwa lo mfana. Manimnika lo gogo. Once wa receive lokho asho lokuthi ngiyacela ukuthi tinhlitiyo tena atehle ngidawuthwala lo mthwalo lobekufuna wendiwe ngibabu wami. Ngende njani? Ngi-embrace lento lobekufuna yendeke. I-culture ithi mawuthethe emfati wemuntu noma umntwana ebantu kufuna ukuthi ubonge lo mntali, your mother-in-law, umbonga ngani? Ngenkomo. Angithi
Okay.
ukuthi ungikhulisele ini?
Now
Umfati.
umfati, yes.
If ungamniki lo maki, mara uyaqhubeka uthenga ama-Mercedes wenda in lo maki utojabula angeke ajabula. Culturally kusho ukuthi acknowledge lo maki. Lento itokuhlupha ihluphe abantwana bakho. Mara abantu bathi hayi no those are demonic thing. It's not a demonic thing. It's a cultural aspect. Lekufuna ukuthi inorishwe. Culturally so that into takho tihambe kahle.
God.
And after we have done that, wawuthola umsebenzi.
Are you serious?
Without akusukuthi uhambe ogibela etinzabeni kwabulawa esilwane kwanathwa ingadi kwentiwa ama rituals lathide. It was mainly to report this thing to the mother-in-law walo bhuti kumake sure ukuthi le nto yandluliswa. And if si embrace tinto letifana naleti ngeke sibe nema challenges emshadweni yethu, emakhaya ethu, kuma business wethu ngoba sibantu labamnyama.
Yemna kethu ukhuluma into le sensitive la. Uthi wena nahamba nayo nikela nge2 liter na 50 rand.
Yes.
i2 liter i2 liter i-cold drink
i-Coca-Cola
nahamba nayo inikela kuphi
siniketa gogo
nanimnika gogo nimnika ethuneni
uyaphila
uyaphila
gogo
okay
wajabulela lo 50 rand wajabulela le 2 liter buka letinto letacezi na 100 rand bekufuna kulandzele lelo siko noma leyo msimeto kuphela ene leyo msimeto ayikuthi uyenda ebusuku ayena leyo msimeto ayikuthi kufuneka abantu labatawudonsa ini bahlanganise nana. It's a simple tradition lekufuna ukuthi si-embrace so that into tethu tihambe kahle.
okay
It has got nothing to do with your religion.
okay
It's a pure tradition that needs to be embraced by you. Uma lento beyingekho kini awuyendi ngoba vele ayikho. And if bekangekho lokho afile still bekufuna ihambe le yankomo iye kulolo toba a representa logogo lophilako because we need to honor those who are living and those who are not living. That's why some they are calling it living human treasures and non-living human treasures. Ngoba labantu bamagugu ethu kwaloku bangasekho emhlabeni. Kune role lebayidlala kule ngabonakali. But spiritually because they are connected to us. Kumbula umuntu makafa emhlabeni.
yes
Kufa le nyama yakhe. Vele ngeke saba physical interact now so maybe through dreams or something later book director ngayo. Because that's my belief. Ngeke ingadi bekhona kungabi nemoya.
okay yeah,
Ene lo moya usuka kuphi? Usuka kulo kulenhlanyelo yalomuntu lo la ifake kulo make. Nale ngadi isuka kulo muntu laphethe lenhlanyelo ayifaka kulo make. Mayifika le ngadi ayingena kule ngadi yalo wesilisa kulo wesifazane. Ifike futhi nalo moya ungena kulo wesifazane. Kuyahlangana nalo kwalo wesifazane. Kwenda ini lo nalo. So lokusho ukuthi lona unengadi nemoya walo babe nalo make. Bayafa labatala. Lo moya nalengadi yalo make nalo baba uphila kulo muntu. That's why bathi we multiply. Umuntu akafi. It's because of that. So there's no way ukuthi uma wenda tinto bese utenda ukhohle ukuthi ungumuntu ngikuphi lekufana kwende culturally or traditional. Ngoba lokho kuyibase yethu, kuyifoundation yethu. Ayikho into lotwa yenda without that foundation. Ngihlala ngitshela abantu ngithi mina if umuntu afile singa embrace iculture yethu thina bantu asibathatheni sibarepe ngema plastic sikhupha umgosi lomkhulu sibagcumisele lapho labantu angithi abana role labayidlala kuba useless asibagcumiselene emgozini basibarepe ngeplastic leli mnyama singabafaka emabhokisini singathi nokuthi bangcwetshwe kuphi nethi sibaphose lapha ifika imotruck ifika bakoleke ifika baphose bathatha umlilo balayide bashe bonke angithi labantu ayisekho inzaba yabo
abaleki ngaleyo ndlela
cultural angeke ukwende ungakwenda uyobona umlilo uvuthe mina
mshangane emdiya
ubese uyatibutha ukuthi inzaba
aka la
it's because it's a wrong thing so we need to honor we need to embrace iculture yethu and abantu bayakhona bayahluleka ukuthi bahlukanise that thing especially masebathi bama Christians because uNkulunkulu kahle hle usidale ngenhloso bekade uthi kunemlo omnyama nalomhlophe if bangafuni lokho bekufuna dale abantu abamhlophe bodwana bekufuna dale abantu abamnyama bodwana kungabi nalenye language kube na one language but ukwenta ngepurpose and lama cultures lawo akhona lamabi but remember iculture evolves angithi
yes
iyatshintsha njenganyalo to make a practical example kudzala abantu bebaba nebafathi labaningi but nyalo ungeke ube nebafathi labaningi ngoba there's a likelihood ukuthi utholakale so ulokwanisa ucontractor inbo HIV and AIDS utholakala ugula early isikhathi sakho singakafiki ufe so you need to be very cautious when you deal with that but culturally bekunganankinga but simo sanyalo sesitshintshile and uma ukwenda lokho so ukwenda at your own risk so uyayibona ukuthi lapho le culture ifiki imoshakala kuphi singaku embrace you can insist it but are you sure ukuthi nonke emanenda leni kwendako ni safe
ebhuti omncane uthi wena bantu bangabi emadvodza angabi nebafathi labaningi ngoba abantu obanjwa i-AIDS bafe
not really AIDS kuphela kuningi lokukhona kugula lokukhona
Yeah.
khumbula lana kuhlangana abantu lababili bani labathi tindo biblically even spiritually kuba nema soul ties
Yes.
tindo takho tingahambi kahle ngenxa ukuthi uhlangane nemuntu lo wrong njengoba bekacedza kusho kunebantu abakhendlako bente tinto tabo ngetindlela tabo immediately ucontactana nalo muntu loyo awathi usukushiya nani. So culturally akufanele ukuthi indoda ibe nemfati munye, kufuna abe nebafati labaningi. Mnamhla ulala ngala uhamba ulala ngala, mara simo sanyalo asisavumi ngenxa yokuthi tinto tiyatshentsha. Uyakubona labo globalization baya affect ngoba kunetinto etiningi letendakalako leti influencer our traditions and culture, but kunetinto lekufana singadibalekile. For instance njengoba ngishilo, uma utoba nelikhaya lakho before uthathe umntwana ebantu ohlala mkhokhele ubanikete timfanelo kusintu sethu leso. So uba nelikhaya before uyongena lapha ekhaya bita abatali benu bayente emsimeto yabo, akusikuthakatha akusikuloya lo udlule lapho uyatala umntwana kunendlela kulisiko lethu. It has got nothing to do with witchcraft and ne-religion yakho nenda lowo msimeto. Ushonile muntu kunendlela futhi yokwenda ukuthi njalo njalo. Ene lokho abantu bakusasa baku-interpreta ngendlela le-wrong. You know bengulelinye iclass, it was a Bible school, nginalomnye make athi indoda yakhe yashona wangazili wacetha khona lapho vele wangabi nenzaba waqhubeka ngoba Jesu wamfela tono tata. Okay, siyavuma wakufela tono takho, I'm not against that.
Okay.
But lisiko la kulelikhaya lithini? Wathi yena vele ukudisregard la kananzaba. Ngathi utoba ne-problem. Wathi yena usho ukuthini? Ngathi mina kuyatila. Wathi kuyini lokho kudila? Ngathi akusiyindo lekahle ngoba igcineni itawu affecta wena mayinga affect wena affect abantwana bakho. Ene lento le maseyendeka kuba buhlungu ngoba wena usuke sewufa sowushila abantwana bakho tinkingi. So uphusha lokuthi wena uNkulunkulu akakufuni lokho. Akakufuni kuphi ngoba phela vele kusinto ukuthi mawufelwe ukhombise kuhlonipha lo muntu longasekho, ugcine ubonakala ukuthi wena bowunkosikazi noma indoda yalo longasekho. Uhlale leso sikhashana uyathi kufana ne-fasting ngalama emagama. That is why mawufasta tinto takho tiyaphumeleleka. Nalekhathi ugcina leso sikhathi uwende lo msimeto tinto takho titohamba kahle ngoba wende njani, we have honored, you know, hlonipha uyehlononyoko kuze tinsuku takho. So whatever that you do uyi-honorish kuba lula, and with in no time lo make washona, instantly washona. Sebangifonela bathi hey phela lo muntu kwendeke 1 2 3, it's because you are no more protected. Remember, as I said earlier on, uma umuntu atalwa before noma abakhona kusuka inhlanyelo yalobabe ihamba nengadi nemoya wakhe.
Yeah.
Iya kulo make iyohlala kulo make nale ngadi nalo moya. Lokusho ukuthi mayifika ihlangana nalo moya walo make nale ngadi yalo make. That is why umntwana makavela sometimes angafana namake angafana nababe ngoba sekuhlangane leti ngadi leti 2. Make unesibongo sakubo nesibongo sakubo makwakhe. Babe unesibongo sakubo nesibongo sakubo makwakhe. Sekusho ukuthi ibongo ti4. Kunalabanye, that's why umntwana lomunye uphuma afana nalomunye wasemuva. But if wenda kahle lisiko lakho ngendlela efana, ngikhuluma ngokugedla, ngikhuluma ngokutsakatha, angikhulumi ngemikhuba, because that is something else.
Yes. Mara kuyendeka ukuthi umntwana atalwe angafani nebatali bakhe. In any way. Nangelicinzi nje lelincane angafuthi umuntu, angafuthi lo make, angafuthi lo babe keje amntwana wabo bobabili.
Angeke ngikhulume ngathi ngi-specialist when it comes to that, but what I think of ukuthi umntwana angendeka ngafani nawe nalomakhe, but afane nomuntu lo wabakhona kudzala emuva ngoba mawubuka ungachecka kahle. For example, nginemntwana emfana, lo mntwana emfana ufana nabhuti wami exactly. Okay, though mina ngine resemblance yakhe, but ufana nabhuti wami nokuhleka nayo yonke into.
Mara khona kwakho lapha kulo muntu.
Kukhona, mara ngizama kwenta example ukuthi wayafana naloya longasekho. Exactly.
Asichubekeni ngale issue leyo. Okay. Babe namake bamnyama khwishi.
Yeah.
Uyavela umntwana liyelo bone.
Iyo kuyendeka.
Okay.
Gogwami bekamhlophe pa njengemkhaladi.
Okay.
Mina ngibona ngemnyama njani.
Okay.
Babwami bekamnyama, makwami bekamnyama.
Okay.
So it could happen ukuthi lo mntwana afute gogwami lotala babwami. Because ukhumbule babwami azabe khona usuke esuswini sabani sagogwami. In essence, there is a high probability ukuthi lo mntwana afute lo gogo noma lo khokho.
Ngikubambe kancane emkhabela lapho. Uyabona ke mina efamilini yakabo makwami kwendekile lokho. Mara mina still namanje ngiyakudispute ngoba labantu laba gogo umnyama mkhulu umnyama
Yeah.
waphuma ke mamkhulu wabamhlophe mara ufana namkhulu straight
Yeah.
umhlophe mara wendani
Mkhulu umnyama.
mkhulu umnyama lo mntwana
Ufana
wakhe
naye
lo
kodwa.
uyamtala umhlophe
Yeah.
mara lo mntwana wakhe lamtele wafana naye mbamba
Kodwa ikhala lekhona.
Ya mara mkhulu akalalanga kahle isikhathi lesithe. Kumthatha isikhathi kuvuma. Ayiphela kumatini.
ya kungaphazamisa wena mkhabela lokwekhala uyabo mine I have experiences kunetinto lengitibonile mine umntwana atalwe nakancane uyabona umnakethu ubhuti omncane uthi umntwana wakhe ufana nabhuti wakhe mara i-resemblance kancane yakhe ikhona kulomntwana ngithi mina umuntu totally akafani namvla ekhaya ngikhuluma ngebantu labatele abantwana labafanako ngoba abantwana funa bafane.
Yeah, mara mina nginotisile le ikhona kunalomnye umntwana utelwe ngilomunye use KZN. Akafani nalo babe, akafani nalo make. Baba lo bhuti lo ngoba wahlukana nama wakhe kudzala. Bekamhlophe. Mawumbuka ngase likhalade. Lo mntwana ufana exactly nalomkhulu. Akafani nalo make nalo baba. Ufana mabathatha isithombe sobabeka so nguye exactly.
But lento lena asiyilungiseni i-government kufuna iyende kube official like in some other countries I think in Asia ngiyakhohlwa le country.
Yeah.
Kumthetho ukuthi
Uma
kube
cetha
nale
kudala.
paternity test.
Yes.
Nje immediately atalwa before kuphuma certificate lesithi babe nginawo make nginawo kuba nale paternity test leyo.
Yeah, kube
Ibe
standard.
official.
Yeah.
Because I've heard another story where I don't know if somebody told me or I read or I watched. I know of a couple that gave birth to umntwana wakhula umntwana babe wasola umntwana ukuthi nje angabe wakhe cobo. And then what transpires later because of the suspicion the man had wabese uwena i-paternity test only to find ukuthi umntwana akasiwakhe ba divorce abahlukana. The mother being a mother committed to the daughter or the son, I don't remember which gender it was, but they later found out also nalo make ukuthi even the daughter was not her daughter because there was a mix-up esibhedlela.
Yo.
It happened. I just don't remember if I was told, I read, but the key thing is sisakhuluma ngemasiko elebe sikhuluma ngesiniji.
Yeah.
Lama indigenous knowledge systems awasebenzele mara siphindwe siwakhaphe ngetechnology.
Yeah.
Ayisetshenziswe le technology ngoba some men are raising kids there are not theirs. I'm sorry ukuthi ngiyeka left but I just wanted to bring that out.
Yeah.
Lento sikhulume into lebaleke kakhulu umkhabela le ithi lamasiko aya evolve now. We understand into le. So now uma evolve mina efana nenzaba yemalobolo inzaba yemalobolo ngiyayidispute bekufuna ngabe seyizambile. At this time mina ngifuna nje ukukhuluma liqiniso yabona inzaba
Evolution.
exactly
Evolve
konke mina kethu kunga evolve ihlangothi linye nayo lenzaba lena nangibiyele emuva inzaba yekuzila angisho siyabona labanye bayazila phela lo mnye umuntu azile nje afake kwelicashadi lokumnyama lasethi itayela nalokuzila angisho vele siphile itayele uyayivisisa inzaba le evolve konke singaphekudliwa le mali kanzi le mali mhlambe kunendo back in the days le beyenda ukuthi vele invoza uma appreciate labatali balontombazana funa khiphe leyo mali leyo mara nyalo sesiphila ekhasini leti mati imali sesiphila kuleti isikhathi nyalo le angisenga nje mhlambe noma ngathi ngifridge ngibanike ngithathe emfati ngihlale naye endlini
That is impossible.
no
I'm sure be happy.
Evolution mnake
Yeah, but I raised you a woman and that woman is yours forever. It's not about who say I'm selling her, but for recognize misebenzi yethu lesiyendile ukuthi sikukhulisele. Just to say thank you. Malobolo, I think it's meant for that. Kubonga ukuthi bakukhulisele nangumfati. So bonga lo make ukuthi ukutalele ngoba phela umgcinile for 9 months angithi.
No, I don't mean like ifridge. I mean like angisho back in the days siyakhumbula bekhishwa tinkomo.
Yeah.
Botali bejabana tinkomo.
Yeah, kukho le mali ngoba phela ngiyimali, that's why we're saying culture evolves. Ngiyo le mali lefunekako and
Manje-
ngiyo le lokwanisako phela.
Manje le mali ingabokalwa ngalesikalo senkomo. Uyavisa angisho split kasintanyana. Ene ngiyanicela ningeva abhlungu madoda ngoba phela uma ngithenga ifridge nemntwana wakho wemfana othenga ifridge
Yeah.
kulo mntwana mkhabela lamtekako.
No, also futhi sikhuluma nge-evolution. Angithi le culture beyithi I can have as many wives as I can afford.
Yes.
Now iyangena this western influence. Ithi sekunaleti for leti naleti naleti. Then mina I'm diminishing
Yeah.
value ye culture yami
Yeah.
because now it's not such a good idea ukuthi ngithathe labafati because of the exposure to leti for leti.
The default con, yes.
So now if western influence can diminish i-value yalobunanzi bethu besintu, I diminish phela nale mali ngalana.
Yebo.
Equally so. Well, I'm not saying that I'm agreeing with him. I'm just following your logic.
Yeah.
With regards to what you were saying.
Ngijabule
And what he's
kakhulu
saying.
nje na uyibeka ukuthi singabambeleleke etintweni takucanga ngiva ngijabula kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngifuna kupressa kakhulu kulendzaba yemalobolo le. Indzaba yemalobolo ukuthi ya umfati ufuna umlobolo uzufe umfati ufuna madoda.
I think I'm not sure. Are you aware with this whole story? Toby, the matter he presented. I don't know if it was, but I saw it online.
Yeah.
Akhuluma about
Angiyazi.
the history yelobola, where it comes from, because bese kuba nale contention in the courts when
Yeah.
bantu bahlukana and then kuthathelwana tindlu
Yeah.
nani nani, and then he raises very critical point which I've seen kulenye podcast bakhuluma nga Theophilus Shepstone.
Yeah.
Ukuthi lo mtseshu lana wafika lapha yana wabese uchamuka nema strategies to diminish indalo yebantu labamnyama, and then he made some sort of an agreement with the leaders of
Bo chief
Bo chief,
netinkosi
ukuthi,
baleto cards.
no akulotsholwe ngetinkomo letingaki ngaki.
Kube difficult
Meanwhile-
nje kuteka umfati.
Meanwhile wena ukhonda kamthetho
Yeah.
and leti ngomo kahle kahle atsidakho dale government kumbe leso sigodlo leso kumbe that tribe you belong to. 16 cows for all the men in that village labafuna kushada might not be affordable for
Yeah.
the kingdom.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then because into le yendeke yesteryear, many years ago,
Yeah.
we think as black people, as soon as iba 50 years old, we think it's tradition. So I'm saying this to say, is it possible, the way and the manner in which sibuka isiko lokulobola ngakhona isn't the proper way to look at it, because lendo leyo ifana nako konke lokukhona eAfrica ya infiltrate ama western
Yeah.
ideologies
Yeah.
with
it's
the
true.
intention to destroy, with the intention to diminish i-value yethu nema ideas wethu. Don't you think ukuthi kufuna si-studishe as they are suggesting ukuthi kahle kahle can you come up with the metric system sivumelana ngetinkomo leti-10 masimo siso, also taking into consideration ukuthi Theophilus Shepstone ngaleni wendini.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's true, but it's about difficult kakhulu because kunema beneficiaries kule nto le.
Okay.
And lawo ma beneficiaries ngeke zavume. Even myself angeke ngijabule ukuthi siyo negotiate abantu normally enjobusho babamise ukuthi 12 or 16 wetinkomo. Nyalo vela tsakhokhwa ukuthi kube vele tinkomo letiphila ngithi kuba imali. It could be bathi 5,000 or 10,000, it depends. Not long bese Gauteng the way bebasicharge ngakhona. Yes.
Kaliwa.
Babona ukuthi lo muntu unemali. Vele bayishutha bayisa letulu. Ngathi mina no. Phela according to our traditions, mawulobola awubhadali umuntu. Awuthengi umuntu. Yindlela yokwakha abhlobo nokubonga ukuthi ninginanga umntwana leni ngitalelena. Namhla sowuba mfati wami ngenxa yini. Naku ngiyabonga. Kusho sengamagama kufanele le mali kungabi imali leningi ukuthi nawe uzuhluleke kulobola. Indlela yokubonga. Mara ke kufanele kunegotiate. Even namanje i suggestion yami ngile ukuthi ngathi kungaba nale negotiation le ukuthi vele ku-relookwe le issue kungayekelelwa ngoba especially njengamanje abantu abaningi bafuna kuteka kodwa bangakhoni ukuteka ngenxa yokuthi lama terms and conditions yale tradition abayendi kahle lento. The pricing yabo is too exorbitant.
Pricing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pricing ngoba phela bathi
Yes.
5,000.
Say pricing vele.
Bathi 10,000.
Yes.
And mawuthi uyabuka 10,000 why uzuthi 10,000?
Yeah.
Bekufana kuthiwa niphetheni nini bakamhlongo basho ukuthi osiphethe okungaka. Hayi siyakwamukela ngetani kancane ukuthi nje sikhona ukwamukela. Uyakubona? And kungasolo into lebalekile ukugcina lemisimeto yakhona. 1 insulanyembethu uyikhokhile ngoba leyo it's non negotiable. 2 le malobolo kuzala abantu bekuyakhumbula bathi bebabalobola ngabo 2 cent 5 cent as much as bathi bekukutsala mara vele nayo le mali beyincane nyalo ikhuphuka kakhulu benda ngamabomu ngoba abantu sebafuna kubenefita kuyona lento i-tradition lengasikahle bekufanele ukuthi siyibuyekete and sibe flexible to change but also si recognize in the tradition ngoba nami ngijabule uthatha umntwana nami uyohlala naye uthi wena hayi kulungile hayi ngirecognize ngimntalo wakhe ngimkhulisile
I am going to appreciate you.
but hayi
Lokho
ngefridge
ngwathi kahle mnakethu. Mara into lekufuna siyibuke yemnakethu lama prize ngendlela sekanyuka ngakhona sifuna sibokhumbula nokuthi lamalanga kulotsholwa imishwedle esikhathi lesiningi.
yeah
Kuyivama kancane nje ukuthi kuyolotsholwa umuntu lotiphethe.
this is worse
Uyavisisa wena Mkhabela. Ngiko ngikhala kangaka mina umuntu ayo hey lento seyicetse nokuba mshwedla uthola ukuthi nabo 3 abantwana. Bathi inkomo yinye 12,000.
kungcono nalo uthola
Bafuna
ukuthi
12.
Bafuna yinye inkomo bafuna 12 ethi inkomo yinye 12,000.
kungcono nalokuthi bathi una 3 abantwana bathi akanamntwana mara lo muntu ushule 5 webantwana
Uyayivinza.
enekugcineni wena uthi uthatha umuntu kanti kudzala lo muntu watala
Inzabe malobolo ufuna iresolve madoda no iyaskama
Manje leyo
kakhulu.
ifuna le national dialogue lebe bayenda nyalo ngalama service delivery related matters ifuna ukuthi discuss but I think also na government wethu kunetinto la concentrate kuto lebe kufana ngoba ka concentrate kuto njengale ukuthi umuntu wesifazane angakhona ukuthatha umuntu wesilisa amnike sibongo sakhe really in our tradition that is out of
Inhlamba.
I don't understand why it's
Inhlamba
there.
leyo.
Uyabona but this one lesikhuluma ngayo njengoba besisho ukuthi we need to be flexible to change but kubuye kedwe kahle ukuthi ngempela lokhu kuyasinceda yini sisive sase South Africa ngoba ku deprive abantu abantu abaningi yalo basebenza imisebenzi ebaholela imali encane
Yes.
uma ul security officer bakunika less than 5,000
Yes.
kufuna utravel kufuna udle kufuna uwondle
Nangu-
already sona 2 bantwana bathi kufuna umlobola
Nangu umshwedla
bafuna
futhi.
50,000
I mean, sengine solution.
Nangu
what is the
umshwedla.
solution
Unele kubala security nga realize something ezokhuluma.
yeah
Asiyisebenzele ngema percentage. Le pricing yokulobola. Uyavisisa?
kanjani
Lokho kuthi lo muntu
Angithi
usebenza
mina
esipani
nge-security.
yambona msi.
yeah oh siqale ngokuthi lo muntu usebenza esipha
Lo muntu usebenza
siqala
esipani.
lo security niyathi usuhola less than 5,000
Ufuna njani 100,000 umuntu
so
usebenza esipani.
whatever leni imfunela yona ayihambisana nalokuthi lesimo sakhe sinjani
Yeah.
if I multi-millionaire then somcharge more
Yeah, but nakhona sitoba ne cap yabona stay cap somewhere. Singazi because I millionaire. Khona la sifike khona sigcine khona.
Emkhabela na
Asidluli.
naso lesikalo funa singabuka inzawonye singabuki le ndoda kuphela phela nang umshwedla uyalotsholwa awusebenzi
abakutsheli phela naye ukuthi lo yamshwedla
ngiyamoto angisho labalanga la kutekwana ngicale kujolwe
hoy batakutshela ukuthi ukahle mawumthatha lo muntu asuke kutseni ke utabe siwenda njani
akafunzi
Ngoba
unebantwana abayi3 lo muntu akasebenzi ngalaba ngifuna 50,000
uthatha imfundo yakhe uthatha umfati wena uteka umfati awuteki ukufunza kwakhe uthatha naleti khokho takhona awushiyi lutho
hawu ngeke
yeah angithi wena ufuna umfati ufuna yini ngani lobushwedla bakhe awubuconsiderishi ngoba wena ufuna umfati lobola umfati tinkomo nathi leti ufunekako kuthi bayi3 bayi4 bantwana ubonile nangu uyatala noma bangasibo bakho lokuselako
mina laba
Ufuna umfati
banathi
wena.
etshwala mina ngondle
yeah yawona ekona kuma
so sithi madoda awateke nakwende kanjalo achubeka ateke bafana
umuntu uyathithekela lamfunako and umuntu lamfunako uyambona ukuthi ulungele yena lesi sikhathi angabuka umuntu lomubi but khumbula ukuthi there could be reasons angaba na 2-3 abantwana because of circumstances umuntu kube yena natural umuntu okahle
yes
uyamteka umuntu onjalo mara kunebantu labathanza bona labantu labamshwedlana laba ngasikahle bafune bona ukuthi batobahlalisa kamadima letindlini amati umuntu ukuthi akalali uthanza tshwala ubuya late unebangani bemadoda labaye 100 solo ukuthi lo mngani wami scheme sami umteko wathi lo muntu kukuwe lokho lokubalekile ukuthi lo muntu uyamfuna and ufunwa nguwe thina wethu umsebenzi ukuthi sikusupport
lento ngilobolile ngikhiphe 100,000 mkabela nangithi ngisiyabonisana nga something sengihleli ngibukela chief so phethe elibhodo lemali labilayo sengifuna kubulawa mara lo muntu ngamthenga
ngeva lo munye bathi wathi sewufuna imali yakhe la mathulu futhi angiye kuthini 100,000 ngale yaminyaka akhokhe imali 100,000 wathi lo muntu akawethile imali leyo ufuna imali yakhe
mina ke
ufuna bamnike back and leso sikhathi lo muntu akasasebenzi bekanemali
lokho umalume kekuthelela uyifuna ngengani le mali
manje kulate
ya ngicabanga ukuthi mkhabela afuna siye ngalelinye ilanga sivulele nje lenkundla lena yemalobole lenzaba ibandi lena ya ibandi nje umnakethu ngasi naye ufuna abuye abe khona
kufanele kube ne dialogue
ya ngoba loku revolve kwalamasiko uma achamuka nako ngendlela achamuka ngako uyavisisa sebabuya ke labanikati balamalobolo bahlala lana sesiyayibhadla ke ngiva ngathi itawuba mnanzi njalo
yeah
iyahlupha lenzaba ngeke sisihluphe ngeke sihlule futhi government utayikhethula thina sitayicala la sitawucala ngokuyibhadla
yeah
sekumusheke kakhulu njengoba siconnect Tibongo Tebafati sekumanje
leyo seyiwest kakhulu yokuthatha Tibongo Tebafati le inkwatise kakhulu you see I want to say it bluntly government is failing us on that part and akusingileyo kuphela kuningi lokho ngidokusho nje without kusaba anything ngoba into lebalekile kufuna sicorrect into government should be leading these processes and it's in sima South Africans and sima South Africans sima Africans asikwathi ukuthi sothatha sibongo le semfathi sisebenzise sona kahle hle ufuna kuphambanisa impilo yethu ukuthi ibe upside down ngalamanye amagama ufuna create confusion and mangiyibuka lento akusindo ukuthi ifuna kusita thina ifuna kusiphazamisa etinhlelweni letawusita thina ukuthi siye phambili
no these people are destroying our culture
it's a satanic agenda
that's why but see the judiciary captured because it's in nokucabanga ukuthi we are speaking about economical matters but it seems as if we affect her all spheres of society see captured they are legislating against emasiko they are legislating against economic transformation they are legislating against everything that is African lama agency akhona
yes
and these things they are done ngamabomu ukuthi ba create a confusion and le confusion bayenda ngamabomu ngoba bayadi you see if we are grounded ngesintu sethu nothing will beat us nothing will defeat us at all because already si grounded sifana ne foundation then once waba ne lendlu lemayihleli ihleli foundation le solid I'm telling you ngeke ibe shaken so bayahati ukuthi bangasibamba lapha bacethile the same thing even na Christianity basibambe lapho thina sesiluze lobuthine bethu samoshiswa abantu labathi ukuthi mabende lokho angeke sibe nedata namanje niyabona bo family planning uNkulunkulu eBhayibhelini ubhale ukuthi dalana nanzi basi kufuna kube ne angithi indlela yokudepopulate abantu indlela ukuthi abantu bangakhuli kusho ukuthi it's against what God wants
so yayibona ukuthi ibuyela kuphi texture
yes
what you said now is exactly the agenda Theophilus Shepstone
okay
he banked his strategy on the fact ukuthi thina sibantu baNkulunkulu we understand imigomo nemihambo asiphingi asingenani so he knew he banked on the moral fiber of Africans. These ones, angeke lo babe aphume ahambe ayophinga angeke futhi alalane nemuntu wesifazane angakamlobola angakamshadanga.
Yeah.
Imagine the moral standing of black people ukuthi beyisekutheni kangakanani.
Yeah.
When he took all his thinking and said, these ones, if I impose on them the 16 cows, they won't afford it. Therefore, they won't batalane banze, as you are saying. So the moral standing yethu in those days versus today, it khombisa something. Now they have other agendas. We have GMOs,
Yeah.
we have all these other things and so forth and so forth. Yeah.
Yemnakethu ngicela nje ukuthi before ngivala ngenxa yesikhathi bhuti wami uyathi uthi na uyilanza indzaba yemvelaphi yakho angifuni nje lokuhlala ngingakusho which I respect it so much. Uqale kusebenta umncane and all those portfolios la wasebendile mnakethu kuneligcobo mina ngingumKristu ke ngithandaza ebandleni lase Alliance ngingum-Alliance mina ngesikithi ngekwesikholwa sethu sithi umflo njengawo usuka neligcobo. Ngihambe ngikubambe uma uthi wena kunendvodza le wayitshela ukuthi emnakethu ubukela la lesibongo lesi sitawuhamba sikunika inkingi. Sahamba safika emntwaneni wabhuti angathola umsebenzi. Yemnakethu ngicela ungibhalansise kancane nje singakavali ukuthi so ke wak experience ukuthi mhlambe nawo lana ubone izinto or so aware nawe ukuthi kunemibono lohambe uba nayo ebantwini mhlambe labanetinkinga nginaka nje lelisito lo yangalo emphakathini.
Yeah, but I think you know bathi umuntu makatalwa usuka afumbathe lokuthide noma ufunza bamfumbathise lokuthida ngisho kanjalo. Akatalwa nje empty handed. It's just that you don't see, but the more you grow the more you realize. Not long in my place la ngibusy khona nga something ngithe mangifika ngabo 5 ngifuna ukuthi ushayisisa lo mfana lo ngiassisako garden service. Ngibona kunalomnye baba uhleli somewhere makahleli lo babe ngithi ufunani loya uthi angimati lo muntu ufike la ngabo 11 soluhleli ngiyaya kulo bhuti mangithi ngiyamkhulumisa uthi yena mfowethu ngihleli la ngimele ukuthi kuhalale nedi ngaba mnyama ngifuna ukugibela lapha enzabeni ngiyodibulala, you know. Ngathi mina ufuna ukuthi bulala wathi yes ngathumela lo fasi ukuthenga iCoca-Cola abuye atomnika anathi atobhodla kancane atoba relaxed yabona space siya interact. But ngathola ukuthi lo muntu lesimo sakhe siyabhetha. So if mina bengakafiki bekatofa lo muntu ngoba bekatothi bulala mara akazange wathi bulala ngakhona kumthatha ngawumdropa endlini kwakhe. You know, there are lots of instances lengawayenda ngende example. I realize ukuthi you know uNkulunkulu usebenzisa ngetindlela letingafani. And if singakayitholi lento uNkulunkulu asinikete yona ukuthi sihambe ngayo really solo sihamba mara sihambe enzaweni le wrong. Once wayithola ubona lento seyiyendeka so kuncedakala abantu labaningi nami ngangadi. But ngiyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangisebenzisa and I want to do that. Exactly futhi angifuni kusuka kuleyo channel because you know ukuthi umuntu ungamncetha nedi ngokumbonisa ngokumkhulumisa umtshele magama latawenda ukuthi I realize maybe into lebekafuna kuyenda ukuthi maybe athathe impilo yakhe or maybe a decide kuhlukana nemlo aphila nayo lokho kune impact lenkulu ngoba lo muntu uyothi makaphila athi ngasitwa but lento ayisuku kuwe kunemuntu behind which is God. So it's truly it's true something leyendekako kithi sonke isuke ibekelwe thina ukuthi siyena. It's just for us to realize ukuthi what are those gifts and talents less now. And if we can use those gifts and talents lenkulunkulu asinikete wona wonke umuntu angasitakala emphakathini. Hence the establishment ye revived generation. If ungayibuka revived generation uvusalela into leseyifile I generation yanyalo ifile. We need to come up with programs that will be reviving this generation. That is why our slogan says igniting the future. Because siyabona ukuthi kumnyama and ukuba revive ngetinto letabenta ukuthi bakhone ukuhlakanipha babone ukuthi economically there are opportunities, but how do we tap into these opportunities? Politically, there are issues that we need to deal with. How do we start engaging, participating on political issues and social issues? Also kunema issues lowabonako cultural ukuthi afuna ukuthi siwalungise njengoba benende example ngoba le generation le ayifuni kulobola. One of the things lento ukuthi bangaloboli bantu, it's because of the pricing. Sibitha ukuthi pricing ngoba
Yo.
Nale behavior.
exactly behavior ikuniketa vele ukuthi
Kufuna revive le generation.
yeah.
Yes.
So these are the things that we need to do for future purposes. So I mean, I'm just inspired by the way itinto tendeka ngakhona. And I'm hoping ukuthi with this program, ye Revive Generation, really kuwonta amehluko lomkhulu emphakathini. Because we don't want to confine ourselves to Mbombela, but it has to be something that grows bigger. It's unfortunate because government will not see such things. And I don't know whether government is placing the wrong people, but realize that these are the things that we need in our communities. Because banning banaba engage with drugs these days.
Yeah.
But some decisions la irrational. Because abati ba influencwa ini ngilama drugs babulale bantu ba rape bantu hayi ukuthi labantu natural banjalo. So when we have such programs, we are going to deal with such things so that ekugcineni bantu bakhonakale basitakale umphakathi wethu uqhubeke uphile. It's unfortunate because lento le ayigcini nje. It's also spiritual. Hence we call on and we're making a clear on call ukuthi bafundisi bangatholakali baba busy ngema project la afuna ukuthi bathole emnikelo kuphela bafide emasondo abo. They need to go all out barun ema programs lafana nawo ngoba le culture yanyalo ayisafani nakudzala. Ngito tini lekufuna bati promote kakhulu ngoba ngito kanye letibulala sive sethu.
Ya ngiyabonga kakhulu wena mnakethu letinto letitsinzile timgcokwa kakhulu. Keje uyabona njengami mina I'm a very sensitive spiritual person. Ngivamile ke kukusho lokho kaningi ngitshela abantu mhlambe lomunye angakuthatha ngalenye indlela. Uma ngithi sensitive spiritual person ngisho ukuthi etindzaba temasiko
Yeah.
empilo yami
Yeah.
ngitithathele enhloko tindzaba tenkolo
Yeah.
yami ngitithathela enhloko.
Yeah.
Kusifiso sami angisho siyadwe namnathi ukuthi kunebantu labakhulako bakhula banelibito uNkulunkulu ababidele ukuthi batokhuluma impilo etimpilweni tebantu
Telabanye.
umuntu aphile.
Yeah.
Lomunye ubidele ukuthi atothandazela.
Yeah.
Lomunye ubidele ukuthi ahlanganise those traditional medicine
Yeah.
aphilise labo bantu
Yeah.
labo.
Yeah.
So sipho namnakethu uma sivela
Yeah.
ngifuna usicaphe ngeliso lokhozi kwasho
Yeah.
amazulu
Yeah.
uyavisisa
Yeah.
ngoba kuningi
Yeah.
emva kwaleso sipho
Yeah, kuningi
lokungendeka
kakhulu, yeah.
we understand
Yeah.
so ngiyafisa nje unamnakethu ukuthi uyinake kakhudlwana leyo ngoba hey letinto lotithinsako these are very sensitive things
Very, very
very sensitive things and nangibuka your portfolio la ubuya khona hey ungumuntu lokhula mbamba awutifuneli
Yeah.
ungumuntu uNkulunkulu wakunika lento
Yeah.
funa isebenze
Naturally.
funa isebenze uma ngabe lapha in your company those organizations that you have funa ubeke abantu tandla kwendeke mnakethu
Yeah.
mina ngiyasirelease nyalo lesibusiso
Power kid.
ipower
Yeah.
ngiyayifaka
No, but it's true. It's true. You know, I didn't want to share this, but you know, uNkulunkulu siveta ngetindlela etiningi. You know, kuba nema visions.
Yes.
Ubona ukuthi lokho ngikho.
ubhekane nabo
Yeah, but we are going to get there.
yes
Angithi yonke into ehamba nge-step by step.
exactly
Into lebalekile ukuthi sende emehluko emphakathini.
In closing, before Sival,
yes
si busy ngani because ukhuluma nge-revive generation and I like the concept revive generation because awuthi si revive ema 2000 ema 1K kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu affected
Yeah.
sonke the age groups. So what are the programs
Yeah.
that are planned if akhona?
Yeah. Maybe just to name a few, njengoba bengishilo earlier on. vele ma-programs akhona for everyone njengoba ngishilo women, children, persons with disabilities, elderly, you know. As you can see, there's high rife of unemployment, especially kubantu labasha. And you can see ukuthi bantu abaningi they are seeking for employment, and manje lesimo asikho right, bana bekho right emotionally, even physical bantu bayagula ngoba labanye
Yes.
batholakala bangena kutitsa kwamiva bahluleke ukuthi baphume kuletha. So le program layer, it's comprehensive. That is why soba senda nabo counseling and everything, so that wonke umuntu siba nema-psychologists, siba nema-social workers. Even right now sibhizi ngaloko si-identify ama-families that are in need of some food, clothes and stuff. On the 6th of December, that's what we're going to do lapha Rocky Drift, eButomncane Events and Projects. It's a venue where we're going to host this. Sitarget abantwana labang-100. La sibabona ukuthi they are less fortunate. Sibayendela le special Christmas lunch. Labantwana laba ngabathola baswima in a river somewhere. So kwatholakala kuvela inyoka sebayagijima, ngibabuta ukuthi why niyende so kube niyabona ukuthi la kukho right, bathi sifuna kuyoswima asinamali. So ngiyabathatha every month ngibayise kuma swimming pool, ngibabhadalele half of that money, ngibapreparele kudla, ngiphinze ngibagunde tinwele ngoba labaningi ngithola ba disorganized la nhloko. And then nyalo kule program lena siyonikela ngetimpahla letinzala, leti hlobile ukuthi uyatibuka ti right, laba ngathi sebenzisa for bantu labadzala nalabancane nalemindeni siyoyithengela kudla ukuthi nabo baba nekhisimusi lomnanzi. Lapha it's a festival. Why we call it a festival? Kuba na everything. We showcase our talents, we showcase our gifts, we mentor a little bit of these young people. So basikhuluma child protection, but for a specific time, because isikhathi sethu is 1 hour. After that it's entertainment, bantu bamenglisha labendifine art, labadansa badansa badlala traditional dance or marimba or whatever. Silanza kunebantu labato bayenda emagostina yakubona nabo ma guitar labadlala lokho, sendela ukuthi bakhombise labantu labasha ukuthi kudzalwa music budlalwa kanjani. So it's a way of inspiring them.
Yes.
And it's a way of celebrating them so that they feel a sense of belonging and ownership. It's about bringing joy, it's about bringing hope and making a difference to other people, because it's important ukuthi tsine lesine opportunity noma less privilege noma lesinalo kuncane sikhona ukushare nalabanye batofila bane sense of belonging. Ngoba masingakwendi lokho, there's a likelihood ukuthi ku-instilishe kayini tigebengu leta uphinze tifune kubulala thina. Manje with this revived generation siyabamolda, siyabatrainer ukuthi bakhona uku-understanda ukuthi love doesn't end there. There are opportunities. We are here, we are supporting you, we are part of you, we are a family. Ekugcineni bakhona kuyi-understanda lena. So we need to nourish these kids. And this is the platform. 6 December, we are there. And I'm expecting most of you guys to come and support this initiative.
Yeah.
And we don't take money. We don't want money. It's product contribution,
Okay.
in-kind support. You buy anything, you come with that. You tell us in advance, we see what we can do. Like deviation corners, your consolidator, make sure ukuthi bantwana bayajabula. And we appreciate those who are contributive to the cause, because this assists other people. Remember, siyakhona kuthenga iwayini mina nawe sinathi, kunebantu labayigcina kudzala i-cold drink, siyakhona kudla i-rice lenye langa nestamp, kunebantu labagcina kudzala kudla lokho. So by doing this, we are doing God's work. Because ngulo msebenzi ufuna sikhulume ngathi thina masikhula esinikela bo 5 rand, mara labafundisi banyalo skippa bo 100,000. Ube suyamangala ukuthi le 100,000 yaku umuntu uthi thengela imoto yakhe lenkulu ayiyekele ku-assist abantu laba vulnerable nebafelokati. Lisho njalo live lenkosi. So these are the things that we need to do.
So before Dexter I rapper.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuthi badlise.
I'm curious ngalendzaba bokukhuluma ngayo about the men lo bekame ngaphandle emagcekeni at your place.
Yeah.
Uyambona. I know this might be off. I'm just trying my luck here to see if I can get the story ukuthi yini beyimphethe. What was he going through to qualify himself ukuthi athathe impilo yakhe?
You know, maybe before I respond to that, one of the dreams that I had was to say, it's time for you to help those who are in need and those who are sick. But asking myself ukuthi hayi mina ngihlangana phi netinde efana nalethu ngihlangana phi ngoba vele angifuni ukuphela esontweni mina bengiya ukuthi ngiyaya nje hayi ukuthi ngidawo yakuthi sekufuna ngi-attend itindo tebantu and then ngi-attend abantu abahluphekile anginasikhathi saloko
Okay.
angithi ngidibuka mina but when I look back ngiyarealize ukuthi vele I've been doing this thing now labantu mabeda kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usuka bachanela ukuthi batothola mina ngilokhona kubaluleka ukuthi basitakala.
Okay.
This guy, the problem was from his wife. He was no longer working, number one. Number two, since angasalethi imali endlini, sekuqala kungasavisiswana between yena nankosikazi wakhe. Njengoba sikhuluma ngendaba yemalobolo ukuthi it's confining us ukuthi sishade. Now, how are you going to maintain your family, especially feeding them and clothing them? It becomes difficult. So kuba nalama makhwarel nyana la affecta lo babe ukuthi angahlali kahle angajabula. Lokhu lidela ukuthi every day kuba nalomsindo kuba nemsindo. So wabona ukuthi ngcono ngihambe emhlabeni atothola ipeace of mind ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngimi inkinga. And the intervention yami was very simple. Was to say, my brother, do you see yourself ucomplete?
Phelele.
Kude la ushoda khona. But ukhalela umuntu losolukubangela umsindo ngenxa ukuthi wena awukhona ukumnika la afuna khona. Lokho it's beyond your control because you are trying your best to seek employment. It's just that awusengawutholi. Kufuna uthole ini counseling. Uthole abantu labatokunceda and speak out because it's important to speak out. But you speak out to the relevant people. I'm here now to say today from now onwards, let's try to engage and talk. Because somehow there's a way ukuthi lento lo uphume kuye ngeke ufikela ngemistake. Lo baba wasitakala ngale ndlela siphume lapha se right asho ukuthi ngihappy. And we are saving someone's life.
So here's the question. Yeah, so you are in the
It's fine. It's very important.
So now this man is going through leyo situation leyo uphelele emsebenzi akakhona provide ekhaya ilimata i-self-esteem yakhe i-ego yakhe nakho konke like being a man like,
Yeah.
like his
Yes.
ability to provide
Yes.
sine natural we are built in
Yeah.
like it's built in for us to operate njalo. So would you not say ukuthi le relationship yabo ayikho balanced because women would pick up ukuthi la sekunenkinga. Now I'm going back to another layer of a problem.
Yeah.
Is it because in these relationships asibambisani ngalokulinganako and asisupportani asithandzani ngalokulinganako? Because he's a man, he's doing what a man should do. And circumstantially, economically, people are affected.
Yeah.
People are losing their jobs.
In fact, it's a global challenge.
Yeah, it's a global challenge. But then why not have the support system at home between the man and the woman where, baby, I see you. Like, where's the problem? Because we could be dealing with the problem, Nyalo, here at the surface. But Nyalo, there's another layer of it. And this we said kule price ya malobolo because I paid so much money for this person not to be able to support me.
Yeah.
Emotional.
Yeah, emotional.
It's frustrated.
But this one, it's a very, very sensitive and topical matter.
Yeah.
And that needs, and it should be an ongoing program.
Yeah.
Lendo le. Ingapheleli lapha. I mean, I wish, as he said, if we can have something like dialogues,
Yeah.
it's unfortunate. But if I may say, I'm making a clear on call to government to invest in such programs because these are practical problems that needs our intervention one way or another. Because kukhuluma kuyanceda. It's true, but it's unfortunate ngoba umuntu nemuntu wakhe bayatana bona ngithi bengende example.
Yes.
Umbonile lo muntu usuyanatha usitsakwa umshwedla and all that.
Wamthatha.
Lo munye uya kulo munye ngenxa uthi buka ukuthi yena well off. The time angasekho well off ufila angana sense of belonging because ubona angabi contributive to lama affairs walakhaya. Especially kusupporta le family. And most of the time problems lesiba nawo kakhulu emindenini indzaba lenkulu isukela emalini vele indzaba lenkulu isemalini bafethu
wambingelela lo muntu wangavumi
yeah
wakhipha imali wasonzela futhi unjalo
ehe
naseka kunika inkinga kuthi wena usana mali sonenkinga futhi mara lo muntu wamtfola ngemali
yeah
the way umthola ngakhona ngale ndlela ahamba ngakhona
yeah
ngoba inkinga lenginayo mina Mkhabela nginenkinga nalamadoda uyabona kude indvodza lengati nayihlala nengwabani ukuthi ihlala nengwabani
yeah
kude indvodza lengakwati lokho
yeah
nase ubona mngwabani sephumele baleni
yeah
ene wena usana mali yokunesela umgwabani
yeah
hey bantu babhizi ngaphandle eganza tikotela lapha uganza tikotela uhambe uyophihla amabhodlela uhambe uyothengisa
Yeah.
do something and disturb your mind
yeah
don't focus on that person uyamadi muslomuntu ya akasimuntu lophelele lo muntu
imali sensitive lena mina
and ibhlungu
yeah ibhlungu.
very painful
The wisdom
very
to
painful
know is the problem. Meaning I support the programs you're talking about because my decisions last saw the person you chose.
yeah
It's also the same decision long I end up but the friends you chose that
Yeah.
led you to the predicament.
Kuyo, exactly
The same decision nge career.
yeah
So the
Iqiniso.
mind
yeah
funa iqiniso.
ibe molded
ya kunjalo kona kunjalo ya hey tiyabhadla ethi satobhadla Mkhabela ngijabulela ukuthi umnakethu uya ngokuya uyazivula le space ukuthi yena ahlale akhona la kutiyabhadla la abuye atofundzisa abalandzeli uyathi Mkhabela kunento lengifuna kuyindlulisa lana abantu bahlale bayadi sengidavala bantu abayekele nayi indzaba yenhlanhla ukuthi kunenhlanhla leputshuka ke ezulwini umuntu ayincake kunjinje konke empilweni yakhe ayikho lento leyo inhlanhla Mkhabela you prepare yourself ufunze nangabe kumele ufunze and discipline yourself
Yeah.
imali ayiputshuki manhlala emntwini sisi simvile umnakethu la achamuka khona solo atihlela for whatever that he had achieved in his life so mina ngifuna kumemetela nje yathi lento isemoyeni wami imini yonke wena Mkhabela ngifuna kufundisa abantu nethi ngoba silungu sihle siphunyuka kancane wena mnakethu ithi lendaba luck it doesn't just happen luck it only happens when it meets preparations
Yeah.
yeah
And luck is when opportunity meets
yeah we understand so when you don't prepare for yourself for impumelelo khohlwa kude inhlanhla ene singayengwa siyengwa kuthiwa kunala igezelwa khona kunemani laselwandle bashikishe tandla ngabo lithi yini le
you know
so lokufuna
you know mosakhuluma ngaloko bengenda example ngithi kunebantu lesababona sibabona sometimes masifundza senda bo grade 12
yes
ekseni labantu bahlandela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi bapase mara makuphela umnyaka bayafail
yeah ahlandile
akusikuhlanda lokuyenda ukuthi upass ukuthi wena ufunze I will wake up at 4 o'clock ngiyafunza ngifundzela ukuthi ngiyobhala lo muntu lele makavuka ngabo 6 uyageza uhamba esikoleni ngabo 7 uyaphalaza ngeweekend uphalazela ukuthi yena uthoba nenhlanhla inhlanhla yokunikiwe utalwe nayo ila kuwe but kufuna uyipracticalize ngokuthi wende njani you live with people you share with people you live amongst people and you strive to make sure ukuthi lento loyifunako uyipush uma unga network ngeke kwendeke lutho so most of the time bantu bacabanga ukuthi inhlanhla if bekunjalo bafethu ngiyayisho nanyalo noma tinyanga tingangiva nato tiyakwati why bantwana betinyanga bonke bangaphasi bangashadi bonke bangasebenzi bonke mara baphethe muthi
enesikhatsini lesiningi betinyanga bavama kulibala
so manje ngizama kuletha lento ukuthi kutimisela when I look back kutimisela even nanyalo kuningi lokungishayako mara still I'm striving to make sure ukuthi lento lengiyifunako ngiyayithola labafuna kungisita bangisita labangisidi ngiyaqhubeka ngihamba ngendlela ngoba uNkulunkulu babekile abantu emhlabeni lokufuna uphile nabo lokufuna uhambe nabo empilweni and uthi abathola abantu abathokusita honestly akudzingi ukuthi uzohambe uyowenda into letsite labahambile boyenda into letsite bayahlupheka namhla uma lento ingabahluphi ibona iyohlupha abantu ababo ene lento iba buhlungu ngoba mase iyendeka kuba kwangathi sekuvalwe isihlahla kube buhlungu kakhulu. So it's very very important ukuthi inhlanhla as much sinayo mara nayo ngeke ibe khona uma ungaphumi usebende. Phuma usebende, zama kwenta something, qala something noma incane. And wena you know yourself ukuthi ungubani.
Kunjani?
Zama kwenta lo ufuna ukukwenda wena, ungafuni ukuva lo muntu laceleni kwakho ngoba kungendeka akanayo le vision, akanayo le interest, akanayo le belief, akana passion nalena. And le tinto leti beti package lo wena ukuthi uqhubeke ngathi. Mara ngenxa yokulalela umuntu laceleni then utawuguqula sidulu sasawuthi njengamkaloti ngoba usukwabuka emuva.
Yes.
Hey, yathi usakhuluma ngalabantu bokuhlanda manikhulu. Thina sikhula thina sima 1K.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Lapha yana lilokishi beligcina la kule strategy saseholini. Anything lebuya ngala bekulihlathi. So I'm just remembering as you are telling the story ukuthi thina besingena lapha ehlathini sikhimi idolofiya tihlahla nje bestart nje uyabona bakukhombe majida uthi hayi lesihlahla lesingisihlahla wantinyoni tinkonjani
Yebo.
besathi yonke into ngesigaba manje itechnology yafika yaphazamisa lihlelo lesintu but in this case I love what the influence did to us because bowuthola kufaswe tshani lapha ehlathini etigayeni
Yeah.
umuntu athi yabona uyawunyanyisile
Yeah.
afase tshani uyabona.
Yeah.
So the more we became urban and modernized,
Sakubona silento lena inamsebenzi.
that withered away because that was a precursor to what we now call buthakathi. Uyabona usikahle kahle lana ku practicewa ivudu la.
Yeah.
So you know, I was just adding to the point ukuthi technology, globalization, as you said, ifikile but certain influences were necessary.
Yeah.
To demote lama attitudes lawa besinawo ngempilo mfo bekufaswa tshani lapha
Ngikhumbula kahle bonke kungitshele konke ngale mgwenya ngale. Uthole tshani fase bakhesisi la ubhuti. Yeah basilona nje.
Mara letinto leto tibe ne impact learning labaningi bantu.
Usho ukuthi
Yeah ngoba tiyaphila it's unfortunate ngoba thine bantu most of the time asibi grounded. Uyabona mina I can tell you guys prayer is the most powerful tool. Ngoba into noma ingendeka angeke yendeke ngalendlela bekufuna yendeke ngayo
kunjalo
ungakendi lutho mara lokuthi uwende something exorcise those evil spirits that may be attacking you. Uthothi vele bekufuna kwendeke lokuthi ushayise okwende mara lento ingende ngalendlela uyakubona
isuppressa le curse
suppressa lendo leyo so mawuthola ukuthi nawo weak uhleli awendi lutho awutifuni awutinaki awuxhumani nebantu khona ukuthi ithola uvisise ngoba kuhlala duzane nemprofeti utakuprofeta akutshela ukuthi kwendakalani ngempilo yakho kuhlala eceleni kwemuntu oyitraditional healer lo ophiwe siphiwe sokuthi abone into ukuthi ndoda kufuna kuyosusa lento lengiyibona ko lehleli ngoba lento leyo iyokuphazamisa lapha nalapha. And lendo leyo it's pure something lengadzingi into letiningi. It's unfortunate. Inhlanhla sonke sidalwa sinayo emhlabeni. Usho inhlanhla?
Yes.
Sidalwa sonke sinayo siphazanyiswa ngilabani labaduzane nathi.
Mikapeko.
#umuntu omnyama ekutheni nesiganga.
Yeah.
Tiyabhadla tibhadile tsadobhadla sikhathi lesitse nina bekunene ngenxa yokushiwa sikhathi nina bekunene ngicela kuyivala ngisho ngithi le hashtag lena bhuti omncane going viral ngithi hashtag Buchester with Tiyabhadla. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nina bakithi. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ndexcha wakankosi lona umntwana enkosi ingadla ngadla ningangishiyi ngiyabonga.